guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. This is the second week of this ad cycle and there are still some deals to pick up. Some of the coupons we had last week, they are still valid for this week in case you didn't use them. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is on gum floss. They are priced at $5.29 and they are part of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and get 5 back, and that will make the 2 packs just $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal I have is on Select Crest toothpaste. They are on sale for $8.99 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up one of the gum and whitening toothpaste on sale for $8.99. One Crest Brilliance toothpaste on sale for $8.99. These two will total $17.98. We have a $4 Digital coupon for the Crest gum, and we also have another $4 Digital coupon for the Crest Brilliance. Do not clip the 4 off 2 Digital coupon because they are applying to these 2 items, and that will affect the second coupon. These 2 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $9.98. Get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal is on Crest mouthwash. They are on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 3 back, and that will make them $2.98, $1.49 each. The Kids Crest toothpaste are on 30% off clearance, no extra care box back, and they originally priced at $5.79, and with the 30% off, the new price is $4.05. What you can do is to pick up 2 for a total of $8.10. Use the 4 off 2 coupon and you pay $4.10, and that will make each toothpaste just $2.05. The next option will be on the Bud-based toothpaste. They are on 50% off clearance, but originally priced at $7.49. And with the 50% off clearance, the new price is $3.74. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.48. Use the 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon. It's attaching to this and you pay $3.48, making each toothpaste just $1.74. The next deal I have is on Colgate mouthwash. They are on sale for $4.96 and they are part of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.92 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $6.92. Get 5 back, making them $1.92 or 96 cents each. The next item I have here is the Real Technique Concealer Sponge. It's priced at $6.99 and it's part of buy 1 get $5 back. Pick up 1, pay $6.99 and get 5 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have is spend 12 get 5 back on any Kiss artificial nails or eyelashes. Pick up 1 Kiss nail kit priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Pay $11.99 and you'll get 5 back, making it just $6.99. My next deal is buy any Tanologist product, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 hydrating gradual tan lotion priced at $15.49. Pay the $15.49 and you get 4 back, making it $11.49. My next deal is on Aquaphor on the go ointment. This one, you can only find it on the facial care section. Make sure you're getting it from there because if you get the one from lotion section, you will not get this extra care box. They are part of buy 2 get 10 back. Pick up 2, price at $6.99 each. The 2 will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 10 back, making them $3.98, $1.99 each. The 8.4 ounce Nivea lotion is on sale for $4.99 and is part of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up 1, pay $4.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $1.99. Buy any 3 hot product and you get $3 back. Pick up 1 body butter priced at $11.59. Pay the $11.59 and you get 3 back, making it just $8.59. Dove hand soap is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $5.29. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. These 2 will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and you get 2 back, making them $5.94 or $2.97 each. My next deal is on Peach Slices Acne Care or Facial Mask. They are on spend 10 get 3 back, and there are 2 ways you can do this deal. The first one is to pick up the patches priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. This first option I just gave, make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you can get your extra care box. And the second option is to pick up the dark spot micro dot, priced at $9.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay the $9.99 and get 3 back, making it $6.99. My next deal is spend 8, get 3 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up one Clean and Clear Morning Burst Cleanser, priced at $7.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. Pay $7.99 and you get 3 back, making it $4.99. Royal Facial Sheet Mask is priced at $3.99, and when you buy one, you get $2 back. Pick up one, pay $3.99 and get 2 back, making it just $1.99. Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes are priced at $7.79, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.58. Use the 3 off 2 coupon and you pay $12.58, get 6 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. I found 2 more clearance items on Plum Beauty products. One is the Sonic Facial Brush, originally priced at $19.99, but right now it's on 75% off clearance. Is priced at $4.99. And the second one is the Facial Hair Remover, originally priced at $14.99. It's also on 75% off clearance, and the clearance price is $3.74. I hope you find them. This deal I have is on Nabisco cookies and crackers. They are on sale for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $5. Pay the 5 and get 2 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. The Celestial Teas are on sale for 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $7 and get 2 back, then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents on each, limit of 5. That means you get $1 back from Ibotta. And if you're doing this deal, scan the items on Ibotta because not all of them are attaching to this offer. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 2 will end up costing $4 or $2 each. Russell Stover Easter Bunnies are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Easter Bunnies priced at $1.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1. The 2 will total $2.99. Pay the $2.99 and you get 2 back, making them 99 cents or 50 cents each. Next deal I have is spend 25 get 5 back on Reese's, Cadbury or Whopper singles. The big Cadbury mini eggs are on sale. Buy one, get the second one for $1, pick up 2. And the singles mini eggs are on sale for buy 2 get 2 free. And they are priced at $1.99. Pick up 20. All these items will total $27.89. If you have any candy CRT, you can use it with this deal, but if you don't, pay $27.89 and you get 5 back, making them $22.89, $1.04 each. The coupons for the Iris Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash are still valid in case you did not use them last week. And these 2 products are on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back. And I'll show you 2 ways to do this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash priced at $6.59 each. The 2 body washes will total $13.18. Use a 4 off 2 coupon and you pay $9.18, get 4 back, making them $5.18 or $2.59 each. One option is to pick up 2 Iris Spring body wash priced at $7.49 each. The 2 will total $14.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, and that will make the 2 body washes just $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on participating Dove bath and shower. Pick up 2 Dove body wash priced at $10.29 each, and the 2 will total $20.58. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $15.58, get 3 back, making them $12.58 or $6.29 each. Monday Hair Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners priced at $6.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.40. These 2 will total $10.19. A 3 off 2 Monday Hair Care digital coupon and you pay $7.19, get 4 back, making them $3.19, $1.60 each. My next deal is on Garnier Fruities. They are on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, Use the $4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4, get 2 back, making them $2 or $1 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $5.29, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.58, get 2 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7, get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. Next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on any Nivea body wash, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 women Nivea body wash priced at $6.99 each. These 2 will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. And the second option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99. Both will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is on Gillette and Venus disposable razors. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 Gillette razor priced at $8.99 and 1 Venus disposable razor priced at $11.79. These 2 will total $16.29. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus and another $3 digital coupon for the Gillette. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $10.29, get 4 back, making them $6.29 or $3.15 each. Buy any Breeze Beard grooming kit and you get 3 back. Pick up 1 of the styling balms priced at $12.99. Pay $12.99 and get 3 back, making it $9.99. If you used your 5 off 2 Chic or Skintimate disposable razor digital coupon last week, we received another one this week, but the one we got this week is $3 off. If you still want to do this deal, they are on sale for 2 for $14, but they are not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 2 and use the $3 digital coupon. You will pay $11 and that will make each pack just $5.50. My next deal is on the twin pack Sweet Stick deodorants. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $6.79 on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.40. The 2 will total $10.19. Pay the $10.19 and you get 2 back, making them $8.19 or $4.10 each. Kleenex tissues are on sale for 2 for $4, and when you buy 2, you get $1 back. Pick up 2 of the rectangular boxes. Pay the $4 and you get $1 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on the 128 ounce or the 150 ounce Purex detergent. They are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get $4 back. Pick up 1, pay $9.99 and you get 4 back, making it $5.99. 30 ounce all detergents and the 19 count mighty packs are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 all detergents and you pay $10, get 5 back, making them $5 or $2.50 each. Next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on any Bonner household cleaners. Pick up 1 Bonner wood spray mop priced at $32.99. Pay the $32.99 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $10, making it just $12.99. And this concludes my video for today. I hope you all get something out of this video. Thanks for all your support and thanks for coming back every week to watch my video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.